Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really just wanted to show you the first thing that I'm cooking in my Pioneer Woman's crock pot. I hauled this a while ago, and I've been those chicken legs that I normally talk about in Walmart, that bag that's around $4 with a bunch of chicken legs. Well, it was so hard for me to get through it, so I decided to marinate them, and they've been marinated for over 24 hours. So I'm just going to dump those into the pot, and that's what I'm going to be cooking, and we will show you the finished results once it's done. And I'm just going to shimmy that in there. And me knowing how a crock pot works, all I have to wait for is the deliciousness, because it gets all nice and tender. So I just gonna turn it on high, because I rather it go ahead and cook while I'm home. I don't want it to cook overnight because I hate smelling food while I'm asleep. And I just gonna have it, and then you know what I'm saying. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on it. I don't know if I showed you guys that it has this section here. It's made a little different from a crock pot that I'm used to. It's like a suction top. But anyway, it has these little sides here. I don't know if you're supposed to put them down or not. These things here that catches right up here. It's definitely heated up. I nearly burnt myself just now. So I don't know if you're supposed to put those handles down. I don't remember reading anything in the instructions, but I'll go ahead and put them down. So I just turned it on high. So it has high, low, is that medium, and medium. That's what's going to be for dinner for a couple of days. So far, this is what the chicken's looking like halfway through. I think I had it in there for like an hour on high. So I think that I'm going to let it cook until I get ready for bed and turn it off. So anyway, that's what we're looking at. This is the Pioneer Woman by Hamilton Beach crock pot. I want to end by apologizing for not showing the final dish. I did end up cooking it, and it became very tender. I separated it into some of my meal prep dishes, and I took them for lunch a couple of times to work. And when I nuked them a little bit in the microwave at work, it was like so delicious. The flavor sat in really, really good, and people were looking at me, plus the aroma once I had kind of nuked it. So I want to say that I apologize for not showing you the final dish. And unfortunately, I can't even do it now, because when I ate the last portion on my lunchtime today, I didn't even remember that I was doing the process, and wanted to end with showing you what the final results were. So nevertheless, thank you so much for tuning in to my video, and I will see you on my next one.